Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Minecraft app on mobile. So if you're using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store, but as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to press the App Store, this button in my home screen, and then from there go down to the bottom right search page and start typing in at the top, Minecraft. Press the blue search button at the bottom right. And then from there, skip past the first advertisement and go over to the Minecraft app that's right here. On the right-hand side of this listing, there will be either a button that says Get, if you've never downloaded Minecraft on your App Store account. As I have downloaded this in the past, it's coming up with a sort of blue icon, a cloud symbol with a downwards pointing arrow. Either way, click that and it will start downloading the app on the device. I will come back once this has fully downloaded. So guys, Minecraft has fully downloaded on this device, and from within the App Store, press the open button on the top right, and that's going to launch the Mojang app. And it says Minecraft would like to send you notifications. I press don't allow. Allow Minecraft to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. I press allow to that. Confirm. And there we go guys, welcome to Minecraft. So guys, it says welcome to Minecraft. Obviously the app has been fully downloaded and installed on this device. You can either sign in to your Microsoft account by pressing the bottom right green button, or you can exit out of there and just start playing anyway. But thanks very much for watching this YouTube video, and this has been a video on how to actually successfully download and install the Minecraft app. If it has been successful, if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.